Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'll be talking about my passion fruits right now, and I've gotten questions online about passion fruit if it sends out sucker growth, and I have an example right now I'm going to show you. But they do send out a little bit of sucker growth, but it's not really bad. I'll put it in an ultra wide lens so you can see all of it. So it's almost all the way to it is all the way to the top almost. So they're going to fill out in the next 2 weeks here. This will all be covered. It's already started to flower about last week. The flower's already closed up. They only open for about a day, or almost exactly a day, really. So when the passion fruit sends out suckers, it's not like, like mint or other types of really invasive plants. It'll send out, like, in the 2 years it's been here, almost 2 years, I've only found about maybe 4 to 5 little spindly suckers in the longevity and Okinawa spinach here. The plants are planted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see right here that it's about to flower again. But I was pruning the passion fruit about 3 days ago just to clean it up a bit because it got really bushy on the base and I need to walk this way. So I thought this was a cutting that I pruned. So I went to go pull. Nope, that's a sucker. And I'm assuming, let's say, it's from that base right there. So that is about 8 feet away. So 8 feet away, it produced a sucker. So this is the farthest I've seen it happen. But that's it. Like, I walked around and that's all I really found. It's not really that invasive. I don't in the sense of there's not like 30 suckers right here. It's just one, and all you have to do is get on the base, pull it up. It's not really that bad. I like to plant things that stay in one spot, much like now what's invasive. Take a little side note, this beautiful sumac plant, if you want to have a little tropical looking environment and you don't live in the tropics, grow Staghorn Sumac. Now, a question I got, and I'm going to answer it in the community page, is does this send out sucker growth or hard to contain? This is probably one of the, other than mint, which I will never plant in the ground ever. This is probably the worst plant to put in the ground if you do not want something to sucker growth everywhere. This is probably one of the most invasive edibles. Because it will produce edible. This is sumac. This is one of the ingredients in Zaatar. Oh, a bee, cool. This is one of the ingredients you could put in Zaatar: sesame seed, sumac, salt, and Zaatar leaves, dried Zaatar leaves. These will turn red. You cut them off, dry them up, and take out the seed. The husk of the seed of the berry is what you eat. It's really tart, and it's good in lemonade too. Sumac lemonade. Another one. So this is a crazy sucker growth. If you put this in the ground, it's everywhere. It's gone. But it's beautiful, so you don't have to worry too much. So I'm going to pull that out at the base. And that's pretty much it. And every other week you'll find something like that. It's not really bad. And my neighbor has concrete, so I am considerate to my neighbors. I'm not going to plant something that's invasive and then have it going to their yard, because then I'm responsible. So it's all concrete there. They only have a concrete walkway. There's no soil. So it was perfect to put the passion fruit, but never mint or this sumac. Happy gardening, everyone.